We enter the Play Store. We are looking for the Toscana 3D application. We wait for you to download the application and open it. Grant permissions. One, select your company logo. 2, select language. 3, photo demo for testing. Note: to obtain the license number, send a message with company name, username and cell number to the following number: 5731555355555. Take a flat photo. Photo button. Grant permissions. We take a photo and expect it to load in the app. Ready to edit. Enter flat photo. Upload photo button, flat image. We look for the photo in the gallery. We wait for you to load in the app. Ready to edit. Enter photo from Google Maps. Upload photo button. We select 360 Google. We select search. We look for the place where we are going to take the picture. When we find it, select the copy button. It will copy the location coordinates of the place that we will put later in the app. We return to the app and press the paste button and then load the photo of the app. We wait for the image to load. Ready to edit. Enter photo 360. Upload photo button, photo 360. We look for the photo in the gallery. We wait for you to load in the app. "360" button. Ready to edit.